In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import using LastPass. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your saved passwords into your LastPass vault so everything is organized and easy to access in one place. We'll keep things simple, move through each step at a comfortable pace, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you avoid common hiccups. Start by heading to the LastPass vault in your browser. You can go directly to the vault page using the official site. If you're prompted to sign in, just proceed as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll be looking at your vault, which is where all your items will live after the import. On the left side of the vault, look for the menu and find Advanced Options. Depending on your screen size or theme, this may appear slightly differently, but it's typically in the sidebar. Click Advanced Options to expand the tools that let you manage and migrate your data. Next, select Import. The import tool is designed to bring your passwords from other browsers or password managers straight into LastPass without having to retype everything. Clicking Import will open a page that asks what source you're importing from. You'll see a prompt that says, "Where are your passwords now?" Choose the option that matches your current storage. If your passwords are saved in your browser, select the corresponding browser. This choice helps LastPass apply the right settings for a smoother import. If your passwords are in Chrome, you'll first export them from Chrome, then upload that exported file to LastPass. In Chrome, use the built-in export feature to create a CSV file containing your saved passwords. When exporting, Chrome may ask you to confirm that action, and you might be prompted for your computer credentials as a security check. Save the CSV somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated folder. Keep in mind, a CSV is plain text, so handle it carefully. Avoid sharing it and don't leave it in cloud folders that others can access. Back in LastPass, on the import page, choose the Chrome option if that's your source, then upload the CSV file you just saved. LastPass will read the file, show you a preview of what's being brought in, and you can confirm to complete the import. If you see potential duplicates, review them and proceed. Once the import finishes, check your vault to make sure everything looks right. As a good security habit, securely delete the exported CSV after you're done. And that's it. Your passwords are now safely stored in LastPass.